Hey you guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the show. My name is Marcus, and today we're going to bring you a quick POV perspective behind the wheel of a very special car. This is a 3S-GTE powered AW11 MR2, okay? Making about 315 wheel horsepower, weighs about 23 to 2,400 pounds. It's built by Bob MR2 on Instagram. He has about 14 MR2s, crazy collection. Before we get started, you can watch the full feature video we did on this car. The link will be in the description. But as soon as I turn around right here, we're gonna rip up the hill. I'm gonna shut up, and I'm just gonna take you guys for a quick ride so you can kind of experience this monster here. TRD differential in the back, E153 transmission. This thing wants to kill me. Anyways, that was just a quick rip for you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed it. I know I sure did. Be sure to subscribe, and once again, check out the full feature video we did on this car. I'll see you guys next time.